Why is the truth so important? Because without it, you'll never grow. You can't fix what you won't face. And the truth? It lives in the darkest, most uncomfortable corners of your life. We all want to be strong. But most people look for strength and comfort. You will never find toughness in a comfortable environment. You find it when you're re-drowning, when you're out of your depth and gasping for air. That's when your true self shows up. Real growth doesn't happen when things are easy. It happens when you're failing, when you're tired, when your mind says, I can't, and you answer, but I must. Some of you are setting goals you know you can reach. That's not ambition. That's fear disguised as planning. And what real progress? Set goals that scare you. Goals you think you can't reach, and go after them anyway. That's where growth lives. In the fear and the struggle, the pain. When the alarm clock goes off at 4 a.m., your mind whispers, stay in bed. You say back, this is what we do now. To get to where you want to go, you have to do what you want to do, over and over and over again. That pain, that's the path. It's the cost of greatness. Your mind is your most powerful weapon and your biggest enemy. Phones won't save you. Google won't fix you. When life gets real, when you lose someone, when you hit rock bottom, you're alone. Alone with your thoughts, alone with your mind. If you don't learn how to control your brain, it will control you. And if that happens, it's game over. You must train your mind like a muscle. Discipline it, shape it, lead it. Back then I had nothing. No coach, no money, no clue what I was doing. But I had one thing: work ethic. I couldn't read, so I read the same line 10 times. Still couldn't get it? I wrote it out. Still confused? I did it again and again, till my mind got the message. We're not quitting. Find a way. The brain eventually listens to consistency. It adapts. It overcomes. But only if you refuse to give up. I gave myself no escape. No plan B. Failure wasn't the enemy. Quitting was. That mindset. It changed everything. I used to quit everything. When it got hard, I'd walk away. But one day I saw something. A Navy SEAL graduation. 22 guys standing tall, respected, victorious. I visualized myself being the 23rd. Not because I wanted fame. Not because I wanted to beat anyone. I just wanted to finish. To finally stop quitting on myself. And that's when I felt it. Victory. Victory isn't winning. Victory is showing up. Going the distance. Beating the voice in your head that says, stop. You want confidence? Earn it. Put yourself in the fire every single day. The more you suffer, the stronger you become. You don't find yourself in the mirror. You find yourself in pain, in pressure, in silence. And once you face all of that and survive, you all know who you really are. If you felt this, don't scroll past it. Share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe if you're ready to stop running and start rising. Leave a comment. What battle are you facing right now? Because the fight isn't over, it's just beginning.